That's right, everybody. It's about that time. Live from the USA. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. It's your boy BK. And if you don't like me, you must not like money. Today is an amazing show for you. I wanted to highlight what I believe to be one of the breakthrough crypto coins that will be crossing over and leading us into the next generation. It is called ANTSHARES. It has officially rebranded as Neo, and it's one of the heavy hitters. This thing. They're already talking, saying that it's going to be China's version of Ethereum, and that's pretty powerful. It's going to be partnering with some major businesses, some major governments, and I wanted to get right to it. But before we do that, my people every day, my people got to get paid. Somebody got to get paid on BK's channel. So with that being said, the people that came a little bit earlier, I asked my question of the day, and my question was, how much do you think ANTSHARES will be 1 month from today? And so it's still people. This is so crazy. It's still people sending their response in right now. And so we need to pick a winner, because this winner will win some cash straight from BK, payable in BTC. That's how we do it. So one thing I want to see is let's see here. Who think they got it? Who think they got it? We got 1771. Oh, I like that number. Andrew Rushing, 1771. I like the sevens and I like the one. Congratulations, sir. You are our winner of the day. This is what we do. This is how you get paid. I'm going to post this video in our Facebook page. Every day I post videos for our Facebook group. I want to make sure I post a picture too. So this is our Facebook page. If this is your first time tuning in, congratulations, baby. You are now rocking with the best. I am the boss of Bitcoin. We have a global community. This is over 4,800 members, and it grows by the hundreds every single day. And so every day I do these videos. I throw the little link up in the Facebook group just like that. And then whoever wins, they get their picture right there, right up under it. Oh, Andrew, I need you to do me a favor. I need you to go in on this page, on this post, and comment, hey, that's me. Hey, that's me. And then that way, everybody will see you, vote you to the top, and you just send me your Bitcoin wallet, and we will get that cash over to you. I appreciate the support. I appreciate the hospitality. And most of all, I appreciate the community and the opportunity to empower everyone that just happens to hear my voice. My name is Brandon Kelly. I am the crypto trader. I have made tens of thousands of dollars in the market. I will make millions in the market. And my goal today is to help you get paid. I've come up with a very easy chart and strategy. You could hear that a little bit more later. And this is one of the coins I got a lot of money in right now. If you go back to some of my videos when I went on my Bittrex account, you could see, I'm in pretty good with ANTSHARES. So, I believe in it, and this is why. First of all, a little bit of background on it. Like I said, some people are calling it China's Ethereum. It's been rebranded. Before it was called ANTSHARES. Now it's Neocoin. And right away, one of the things that jumps out, is these guys aren't playing any games. They got Microsoft, they got Beijing, they got 200 people in attendance. They're in China. That's like 4 for 4 right there. If you remember the old Bitcoin conferences back in the day out in California, you might be lucky to get 10 or 20 people in a room. And these guys on their opening got 200 people in Microsoft's headquarters. So that should tell you right now that this is a legitimate coin. It's not one of those pump and dump ICOs. It's not chain bang, first kill 'em all blood coin, or you know, Crip Life, chain bang coin, whatever that CHC that y'all was pumping up to, whatever $30, $100. I don't even know. I never bought it. I never even looked at the chart. This thing is actually legit. In fact, now that I think about it, I was at the CES in Las Vegas. And I believe this is the coin. It was part of Alipay, Alibaba, Alicoin, Alipay. And they had some type of facial recognition software to where it looked at you and you paid just by looking into this camera. And I'm pretty sure that was tied into it. It's a major tech players behind this coin. But in addition to that, I think the biggest thing, they have a guy who's driving the smart economy, leading it. But the biggest thing I noticed was that they have collaborated with authorities in China. That means, the feds, the government, the invisible hand. But they're talking about real world assets. So what does that mean? That means real estate. That means licenses, cars, houses, properties, contracts. You know, this is big money right here. Real estate. I think the real estate market alone is a few $1 trillion. And you're talking about China, where it's a lot more people and a lot more land. And if they're laying a blockchain based operating system, that's pretty impressive. And that is a huge opportunity. And so right now, this coin is only $8. And it's been holding steady this entire month. Remember, this month, the Bitcoin price is holding steady. So even though Bitcoin, and this is actually why I like it even more now that I look at this chart, even though Bitcoin's price was dropping, ANTSHARES held almost a straight line compared to Bitcoin. That means more or less everybody that has this coin believes in it as much as the general market believes in Bitcoin, which means there was no trade-off in their mind whatsoever. So when Bitcoin was going up, when Bitcoin was going down, ANTSHARES was holding steady. That's what you want. You want a solid baseline like that, to where you almost take the volatility out of it, and you don't have to worry about your Bitcoin disappearing. When you get this coin, the only thing, over time that's eventually inevitably going to go up is the US dollar amount. But at the end of the day, that doesn't really matter. All that matters is BTC. So, that's the price right now. Now let's check out the chart and see up close and personal how this thing is coming together, and how ANTSHARES looks, from the top floor, looking down. Yeah, and I'm in the chat too. So some people are saying that it's called Neo now. I think everyone will see. I recognize that. It's gonna probably be a year or two before everybody calls it Neo, because I bought it when it was called AntShares. So in my mind, it's AntShares. But just last week, they started calling it Neo. So yes, I know that. So I apologize for the inaccuracy of my vernacular. You know, I'm hard headed. It take me a while to learn something after somebody tell me. So this is our chart right here. And you can see, this thing probably looks better than 90% of the other coins you're looking at in the crypto world. Why is that? Again, I think it's for several reasons. I think it's because it has a strong group of believers behind it. People like me that, I don't care if Bitcoin goes down to $1,000. I probably wouldn't have showed my AntShares, because the AntShares was holding strong against Bitcoin the entire time. So as far as I'm concerned, AntShares was actually safer than a lot of these other coins that were losing 10, 20, 30% against BTC. So, and also right away, we can see that the green line is above our orange, which means we're above water. And that's when you want to make sure you're in on a trade. You're above water. It's hard to lose money, right? Because that doesn't happen very often. Basically, that's our major test. Green above orange, buy. Green below orange, sell. And so, for example, if we would have just did that simple test there, let's just do it, on a, let's bump it out to a 4 hour so I ain't drawing too many circles, you know. But if we just do it right there, let's say we start there. Buy, sell, buy, right? Yeah, we'll stick with the 4 hour. Okay. So, and actually, once you start trading with me, you probably would have sold right there. I teach you how to sell the crosses now. Um, so you buy the low cross, sell the high cross. Even if you wouldn't have got in right there, you could still get in on the break. So, real quick, you can see how this thing swings and how easy it is to make money when you have a good crypto. Buy there, sell there. That's plus 50%. Buy there and hold because we're still in it. That's plus 30%. And that's in, uh, let's see, how long is that? 26 days. Using BK's method with ANTSHARES, you returned 76% in 26 days. Even if you got sloppy and sold green below the orange, you're still almost 54%, right around 54%. So between 50 and almost 80%. And don't start swing trading it. Don't start, buying and selling the crosses like we've done in a few of our other videos, because then you go up to 120, 130, 140%. So you can see that this is a solid coin, even in a downturned market. Bitcoin turned over, way back here in towards the end of June. Right. But AntShares has been resilient. This is no joke, one of the best coins in all of the crypto world. And so that's why I'm spending so much time with you guys going through it. So you understand the mechanics, you understand the fundamentals, you understand the logistics. This is not a pump and dump coin. People don't have enough money to pump and dump AntShares, because when they pump it, it's nobody to dump it to, because you got a lot of solid investors like me. I'm not selling, even if it goes up to 45, now granted, I'm still not selling to where it's gonna crash down. So it's not so much that I'm trying to get you to buy into coins that I already have, because a lot of coins I talk about, I don't even have. I told you on the list yesterday. I went through all them coins I didn't even have. Some of the ones we talked about yesterday on the air yesterday. I just go through the fundamentals, go through the mechanics. And this is a solid coin. So this chart you're looking at right now is on Coinigy. Okay, so AntShares is not on TradingView. Normally, I go on the TradingView.com, and that has a different look to it. AntShares is not on TradingView, and I think that's because AntShares has not been listed on the three major exchanges. Now, the three major exchanges are Coinbase, Poloniex, and Kraken. So that's what TradingView focuses on. AntShares isn't on one of those yet, and it's still one of the best coins. So the minute it gets on one of those, it's going to be up there with ETC, ETH, Dash. It's probably going to be ridiculous how strong it is. But for right now, it's only on Bitfinex. So bitfinex.com. And then you can look at purchasing AntShares or trading for it. So Coinigy is the website you have to use in order to look at the charts for AntShares. It's almost the exact same, platform and API as TradingView. It's just a little bit different, um, but it does pretty much the exact same stuff TradingView does. With that being said, man, AntShares is a solid coin. Neo is a solid coin. And the other reason I like it is because now it's also called Neo, that you have the NEO for AntShares and the NEM for Nemcoin. And I think the two of those together, you will have probably 60 to 70%, almost a guaranteed annual return just by buying and holding, right? So it's real easy. It's real cool. This is a great coin for you guys to pick up, especially in tough times like this. You should definitely look at trying to reduce your risk and maximize your profit. And with that being said, the profit package is this is a list that I put together, hand picked it from about 2 months of learning, observing, making money and losing money in the market. I put together, my top 10 coins for right now. If you watched the video yesterday, I told you I did 2 coins. One was Pivx and one was Sia coin. And both of them looked very, very good. But only one of those coins was able to make it on this list. So if this is something you're interested in, if you think it will help you out, you can click on the link in the description. It's right there. It's called BK's Profit Package. That will take you to Eventbrite. It'll take you to a website that looks like this. Just click through it, click tickets. Everything automatically fills in. You click on tickets, just click checkout, fill in your information, and it will send you the download link right there to your email address. In addition to that, I do have some one-on-ones. Brian, me and my man, we missed it in Canada. He was busy a little bit earlier, so we go meet back up probably tomorrow sometime. But I do calls every day. So if you're interested in getting on a call, $25 just to confirm a spot. Same thing. The link is in the description. You click tickets, pay the little 25, and you will get a link to open up my personal calendar. Once you do that, you click through it and say you wanted to do, afternoon call with BK on Wednesday afternoon. Bam. There you go. It sends a link to my email, sends a link to your email, and we are set up to go on Wednesday. I try to make this as easy as possible. I try to make it as clean as possible, and most of all, I try to make it as empowering as possible. So again, if this is your first time tuning in, congratulations, baby. You are now rocking with the best. I put in hours on these charts. We have a community, almost 5,000 members. I've been doing videos for about a month, and right now we have 8,000 subscribers. So please do me a favor and subscribe, turn your notifications on. If this kind of content helps you, if it's empowering for you, if you think it'll help somebody else, invite them to the channel, invite them to the Facebook group. The doors are always open. And as you can see, when anybody wants to come in, just bring a positive attitude. My man, he said, what's your favorite currency? You see what he said right there? NEO. So that's what you call synchronicity right now. That's how you know you got a guy that know what he's talking about. When the stars line up and the clouds get out the way, the money will shine, and it's gonna shine all day. And just like that, this your boy BK signing out from YouTube. But first, my people got to get some love. I was about to jump off. I was on a roll, about to jump off. But first, my people got to get some love. So listen, let me tell you something. If you in the chat right now, it look like we got about 300 something people live on the air. I need you to jump in the chat, shout your country out, show your people some love wherever you coming from. I know we got people all over the world right now tuning in to this station. So do me a favor. I always try to show my people some love before I jump off the air. Shout your country out, get in the chat. Let me know where you dialing in from on this call, and we will close it out with that. Here we go. Let's see what we got. So we got Washington State. Hold on. Dang. Wow. There's a lot of people. New Zealand, Argentina, Australia, West Monroe, baby. Cali, I see you. Switzerland was good. I got to get up there one time. Bulgaria, Australia, London, UK, Denmark, Ecuador, Bulgaria, Morocco, Armenia is in the building. Vancouver, Canada is big today. Taiwan, what's up? Panama, Mars, California, Batcave, Denmark, Tennessee, Mars, Ireland. Mars is pretty big these days. That's what's hot in the streets. UK, Denmark, Utah, Toronto, Mexico, Ottawa. You know, BK for president. I see you. Thank you, Amy. Maybe one day, maybe. Spain, the Matrix. My man said he in the Matrix right now. So this is how we do it, man. It's a global community. We keep it positive. We keep it empowering. I keep these videos educational, entertaining, enlightening, and amazing. So if you appreciate that, all I ask you is that you like, subscribe, and share. Knowledge should be free, and financial literacy is the key to our salvation. With that being said, it's that time of the day. This is your boy BK signing out. No matter where you stay, from Brazil to the Bay in California, all the way out to Germany. Good night, good morning, and good day. Until we meet again, y'all take it easy. Catch y'all on the flip side. Stay cryptic, y'all. Peace.